Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I am bringing you look number 10 in our 13 Days of Halloween series with a ghost. If you would like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm just clipping my hair back with my Kitsch clips, and then using my NYX Angel Veil primer, I'm using this to prime my face, and then going in with the NYX Total Drop foundation in the shade Pale. I'm blending this into my face with a beauty sponge, and then going in with the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. I'm placing this under my eyes, on my chin, bridge of my nose, and forehead to highlight as well as make our overall complexion even paler. And then I'm going in with the Kat Von D Brow Pomade in the shade Bleach. And I'm combing this into my brows with a spoolie to try to make them a little bit more translucent and blend into the skin. I'm then taking a black eyeshadow and using this to start to carve out my cheekbones and priming my upper and lower lids with an eyeshadow primer. And then going in with a dark red / burgundy eyeshadow and starting to pack this on my lids and really blowing it out. Kind of going also up in that inner corner towards my brow and just really blowing this out and making it crazy. I'm then taking the shade Red Ochre in Venetian Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, mixing those two reds to deepen the eyes and add more of like that red tinge to it. And I'm also using the combination of the three eyeshadows on our cheeks, blending it in with that black contour, and also using this on the tip of my nose. And using a fluffy brush, I'm using these red shades along the perimeter of my lips, blending it in with my finger, and also making sure to use this to start defining my Cupid's bow. I'm then going in with some black eyeshadow, placing this on the inner and outer corners of my eyes to deepen them even further. I'm using a black felt tip eyeliner to lightly line my upper lash line, and then going in with the NYX Glazed and Confused eye gloss in the shade Bad Blood. I'm applying this on the center of my upper and lower lids. And then using a white eye pencil to fill in the waterline. Next, I'm grabbing some long and wispy false lashes and popping those on. I'm then using a white water activated face paint on a small brush and starting to just kind of sketch this on my upper and lower lid, on the tip of my nose, right along the cheekbones there, and a little bit just right around the eyebrows. And this is going to give it a really kind of cool painterly effect. And I'm also popping this on the inner corner almost as like a highlight. I'm then going back in with that white concealer on a spoolie brush and using this to completely coat my upper and lower lashes. And then I'm going in with a gray lip color and filling in my lips. Using some black eyeshadow on those outer corners and in the Cupid's bow area to deepen all of that. Adding a little bit more of that red eyeshadow on those outer corners. And then going in with that white face paint to add some highlights. I'm popping in some spooky contacts. These are the blind white contacts, so it makes it look like your eyes are just glazed over and dead. And then going back in with that white water activated face paint, I am using this mostly with water and a little bit of the white to give a very kind of soft translucent tear effect going down the face. And then to further define that, I'm going in with a small brush and some of that red eyeshadow again, blending on the outer edges of where those tears are, only on the one side to make them pop out a little bit more. And that's it, you guys. You are now a ghost. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Be sure to subscribe for any future videos. Like this video as well if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah!
Let the darkness take